Here we'll look at attachments that fit to the front of the forklift and require hydraulic connections. In this particular case, it has the quick hitch type arrangement. This is a relatively foolproof arrangement, and simply align the two halves of the connections up together. Once aligned, simply pull the lever and you'll find the connections will lock together. You'll notice the tap supplying the oil flow to the quick release pins is still in the open position. Once you've attached the hydraulic connections, you should then lock this tap to ensure the pins stay securely closed. Now you can operate the switch on the joystick control, knowing that this will only operate the attachment and front and not accidentally remove the pins also. Once finished with the attachment, simply pull the handle to release the connection again. Once this has been removed, you can then open the tap again to supply the oil flow to the quick release pins on the front carriage.